You gave me sisters and loving father. We share the same favorite color. You pick me up when I'm alone, depending on you, please, when I'm grown. If you left, I would lose my home. You hold my hands, I try to stand. My first word that I ever knew was you. Without you, there isn't a me. My eyes, my hair next to you. I breathe the first air. I hunger and thirst. You nurture me. My calm is your heartbeat. I grow stronger. Your love that sustains. I cry late at night like pouring rain. Rain, your side takes away all my pains. My soul calms in your loving arms. You have all the power. I'll forever be your faithful daughter. Mama, dearest, our fearest, darkest days of life today. Hold me close, close, close. Don't ever let go. Kiss to cheek, my God, I plead to keep you close, close, close. You can't leave me alone. I need to seek your advice. You need to walk me down the aisle. Help me with my crying child. Help me not to falter when my path is astray. You wrap me in your arms, carrying me to our loving home. Your loving care and guiding my way. I'm praying for you to stay. I cry late at night like pouring rain. My palm is your heartbeat. Your heartbeat. My calm is your heartbeat. Your heartbeat. My calm is your heartbeat. My calm is your heartbeat. Without you, there isn't me. Next to you, I breathe. At your side takes away all my pains. My soul calms in your loving arms. You have all the power. I'll forever be your faithful daughter. Like pouring rain, my tears like pouring, pouring rain, pouring rain, pouring rain.